6 o'clock in the morning. I'm on my way to the quarry, just like every day. 3,500 tons of granite, 10 tons of explosives. The guy's ready to go. Thinking of the day ahead. What's the target? And how are we gonna reach it? Sure, it's routine, but every single step has to be 100% right. Outside every day, experiencing the forces of nature. It's what we do. Come what may, my guys are there. They don't complain, they give it their best. I can count on them. And that's why they work with the best machine. Look, everyone's giving their all to provide top performance. And that's what we expect from our equipment as well. There's no other way to reach our target. And I need to be able to count on that, day in and day out. The Pro Line. Built to perform.